Hi, my name is Heather Engen, and I'm part of the CRCF team here at the Center for Innovative Technology. This informational video is to help walk you through the process of submitting a letter of intent, or LOI. LOIs are the first step of the CRCF application process. They are required if you're interested in seeking funding, but they are non-binding. So you may later decide you don't wish to submit a full program application. That's totally fine. We only accept LOIs through our online CRCF portal. The LOI form should take no more than 5 minutes to complete. We use the LOIs to confirm program eligibility, and it allows us to begin identifying subject matter experts for the review process. Before submitting your LOI, you need to read through the program guidelines for the funding program to which you intend to submit. We have provided a sample LOI document that may be helpful as you prepare your LOI. This sample is for information purposes only. You may not use it to submit an LOI to CRCF. LOIs must be submitted using the online form accessible via our website. You'll see an apply button at the bottom of each CRCF program page. Let's quickly walk through the online submission process. I'm going to use the commercialization program for this demonstration. Before you do this, you need to read the program guidelines. There will be more information about eligibility. Make sure you also read through the common criteria on the last page of the program guideline. Select the program that you are applying to. This eligibility quiz allows you to certify your organization's eligibility to apply for funding. These criteria should already be familiar to you from having read through the program guidelines. Note that eligibility is based, in part, on the organization type. If you are new to the program, you'll need to create an account. If you've previously applied to CRCF, you can log into that account, which is what I did. If you need to create a new organization record, you can do that here. If you are connected to more than one organization, such as a university and a company, make sure you select the correct organization when you log in, because to change organizations, you'll have to log back out and sign back in. So you can see I have several organizations. I'm going to go ahead and use this one. When starting an LOI, applicants will be asked to select the CRCF program type for which the project is intended. You should select the same program you selected during the eligibility certification. Next, applicants will be asked to confirm their organization type. In the case of the commercialization program, you only have one option. You'll be asked to enter a project title and select the industry sector to which your project most closely aligns. This information will roll over into your application and cannot be changed, so please be mindful of that as you prepare your LOI. Project titles are capped at 150 characters and should describe, in layman's terms, the proposed project. Character limits do include punctuation and spaces. Please be sure to use title case for your project title. The project description should provide a high-level overview of the proposed project. It's the precursor to the executive summary that will be required in the subsequent application. The project description should identify the opportunity, provide a brief overview of the technology, list project objectives, provide key activities in the plan of work, and address the stage of IP associated with the project if that's relevant. You might also identify how the project aligns with the selected industry sector if it's not obvious to someone who doesn't work in your field. Keep in mind the intent of the CRCF program, which is the commercialization of a high-potential technology for which IP and revenue will be generated and economic outcomes are envisioned for Virginia. If this project is a resubmission, you can include a sentence or two on progress that has been made or other advancements to the technology since your previous submission. The project description may be a maximum of 2,000 characters, which is approximately a third of a page. This should give you plenty of space to provide a thorough overview of the work you propose to undertake with CRCF funds. You can type directly into the project description text box, which can be expanded using the two diagonal lines in the bottom right-hand corner. But you might prefer to prepare your content somewhere else and then copy and paste it into the box. Note that this box is text only, so formatting does not copy over. All LOIs ask for the PI's name and the contact information. You'll provide your organization's city, state, tax ID, and website. Before submitting your LOI, you'll have the opportunity to review the content you entered. You have the option to submit or the option to save only. Save only allows you to come back later and revise your LOI, but keep in mind that all LOIs must be submitted by the deadline for consideration in this round of funding. An LOI that has only been saved will not be considered. Once you've completed the online form and you've checked that everything is good to go, click Submit. We recommend that you don't wait until the last minute to go online and complete or submit your LOI. We typically see high traffic volumes on the online submission portal right before a deadline. We do not accept late submissions, so don't take any chances. It's best to avoid waiting until 11:55 a.m. on the LOI deadline to log in and attempt to complete the form. Sometimes it gets really slow and you may not have time to finish it. A confirmation of LOI receipt will appear on your screen and you will receive an email from our system. The emails generated by our system will likely take 30 minutes to an hour for you to receive them. If you do not receive an email within several hours of submission, please contact the CRCF team at crcf@cit.org. Occasionally, an applicant will make a typo in their email address when registering for CRCF. We do monitor for bounce back emails and will attempt to get in touch with you if we encounter a problem, but obviously this can lead to delays. So if you submit your LOI but never receive email confirmation, it's important to check back in with us. Once an LOI has been received by CIT, our team will review it and respond within 5 business days. If the LOI meets the program requirements, you will receive an email with instructions regarding the next steps. Each project invited to continue to the application process will be assigned a unique CRCF reference number. This is the number you should use for all of your materials for the rest of the application process. All future correspondence with CIT regarding the project must include the CRCF reference number. This number will be pre-populated into the application documents. CRCF reference numbers are an internal identification system to identify the solicitation, the program, and the industry sector to which the program was submitted. Occasionally, the CRCF team may contact an applicant to request clarification regarding some aspect of the submission. We will contact the applicant by email. If we are requesting a revision to your LOI, you will also receive an email providing instructions for doing that and for resubmitting the LOI. You must resubmit the LOI to be considered for application. Our funding programs do not all have the same deadlines. The LOI deadline for our private sector programs is at noon on Thursday, November 8, and the LOI deadline for the matching funds programs and the eminent researcher recruitment program is at noon on Tuesday, November 27. If you are invited to apply to one of our programs, private sector applications are due on Tuesday, January 15, and the other two programs are due on Thursday, January 31. All deadlines are at noon Eastern Standard Time. Deadlines are firm and late submissions will not be accepted. We don't make any exceptions to this. Award announcements are anticipated for early June of 2018. If you have additional questions, please take a look at our other CRCF information videos. You can also reach our team during business hours at crcf@cit.org. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.